Dear students, you are welcome to my class. You know, we have started changing sentences. Today, we shall also do another question for you, better practice, and I shall also try to understand, to explain the rules, answering them. Okay, look at the blackboard. Read the text and change the sentences as directed. You know, you have to change the sentences according to direction. You see, there are direction after the end of the sentence in bracket. So, you have to follow the direction, and according to direction, you have to change the sentences. Okay? Now, let's start. Number 8. Only man is the maker of his own fortune. This is now assertive, but you have to ask to make it negative. Only man is the maker of his own fortune. You see, in the assertive sentence, there is only. If you see only or alone, then you have to bring none but. You have to bring none but. Okay? So, the sentence, the answer will be none but man. Okay, right? None but man. None but man is the maker of his own fortune. Okay. B. If his time is used properly, he is sure to prosper in life. Make it active. You see, this is in passive form. So, you have to make it active. If his time is used properly, this is in passive form. So, you have to make it active. You see, here object is absent. So, you have to use appropriate subject. You have to bring appropriate subject for this sentence. For the for the active voice. If his time is used properly, here the appropriate subject is he. So if will be same. If this is a conditional sentence, so if will be remain same. If will be remain same, and the subject is he. If he is used, will be in active form. It will be uses, because you have to use the opposite rule of active to passive. You have to apply opposite rule of active to passive. So, if he uses, is used will be uses his time, subject will be object, his time. If he uses his time properly, if he uses his time properly, he is sure, and then. Okay. Now, see, but it is sure that a person may do otherwise. This is there is no direction in this sentence, so you have to do C. But it is sure that he must repent later. It is now, this is assertive, but you have to make it affirmative. You have to make it negative. You see, there is a word must in the sentence. So, if there is must, you have to bring cannot but. You have to use cannot but. Instead of must, you have to use cannot but in the negative. So, it will be, but it is sure that it will remain same, but it is sure that but it is sure that he cannot repent later. Okay, done. Now D. The lazy suffer miserably in the long run. This is now assertive, but you have to ask to make it exclamatory. Okay. To make it exclamatory, you have to bring what or how. You have to bring what or how to express exclamation. Now here you have to use how. So at first how, and then adjective or adverb. So how miserably the lazy suffer. How miserably the lazy suffer in the long run. Okay, done. Now E. To kill time is more than to commit suicide. You have to make it positive. Now you see more than, you see this is comparativity. Here the adjective is in comparative form. So you have to make it positive. To kill time is more than to commit suicide. You have to use the later part after then. To commit suicide, at first you have to write to commit suicide. It will come first. To commit suicide. Okay, to commit suicide. To commit suicide is not, then verb is not as much, more will be much. More will be much in positive form. More will be much, because much, more, most. So it will be in positive form. It will be much. To commit suicide is not as much. As, then again as to, and the first subject. The first subject is to kill time. To kill time. Okay. To commit suicide is not as much as to kill time. It's not as much as to kill time. Okay. Then, okay. Now, we have done the first 5 sentences. Now, the remaining sentences. F. The sum total of hours, days and years makes our life. The sum total of hours, days and years makes our life. You have to make it passive. Now this is in active form. You have to make it passive. You see, the sum total of hours, days and years, this is subject. This is a long subject. And then you see there is verb and there is object. So to make it passive, you have to make the object will be subject. The object will be subject. So at first, our life, this is in present indefinite. So you have to use amisa. Vivat amisa. Our life is. Our life, it will be is. Our life is. Made will be made in past participle form. Made will be made. Our life is made. Our life is made, and subject will be object with by. By sum total of and the other part. Okay. Now G. Youth is the most valuable season of life. You have to make it positive. You see G. You see this is in superlative form. Most valuable. This is superlative form. In positive form, it will be valuable, because valuable in comparative form more valuable, and in superlative form most valuable. So you have to make it positive form. So it will be you have to bring no other. At first you have to bring no other, and then the after part of superlative. After part of superlative or later part of superlative. So no other season of life, no other season of life is no other season of life is as valuable. Most valuable will be valuable, and D will be omitted. D will be omitted. Is as valuable as, and the first subject. The first subject is you, as you. Okay, done. Now no other season of life is as valuable as you. Okay, then age. Age is, in old age, mind is not as soft and delicate as that in you. You have to use the last subject will come first. The last subject. Okay, you have to in youth. At first you have to write in youth. It will come first. In youth, mind. Mind is the subject. In youth, mind is, then verb. Verb is soft will be softer in comparative form, because this is in positive form. You have to make it comparative. So comparative form, soft will be softer. Soft will be softer, and delicate will be more delicate. Delicate will be more delicate. Is softer and more delicate. More delicate. Softer and more delicate. In your mind is softer and more delicate. That means mind. That in old age. That in old age. Okay. In your mind subject, then verb is soft will be softer and delicate will be more delicate. And after comparative, you have to use then, and the first subject. The first subject is that in old age. That means instead of mind. That in old age. Okay, then the morning hours of life should be used properly if you do not want to pay a heavy price afterwards. The morning hours of life should be used properly. You see, you have to make it imperative. You see, this is assertive with first person. This is assertive with first person because the morning hours of life should be used properly. That is, we should use properly. Here, we should use properly. Here, we is understood. So, you see the assertive with first person. So, when you see the assertive sentence with first person, then you have to bring let. You have to use let. So, at first, let, there will be let, and the morning hours of life. Let the morning hours of life. Let the morning hours of life. Let the morning hours of life. Should be omitted. Should be omitted, and then after part be used. Be used properly. Be used properly, and then the remaining part. Okay. Now J. What a golden seed time of life you is. You have to make it assertive. Now this is exclamatory, but you have to make it assertive. You know what will be omitted. It will be removed. You have to, at first you have to bring, you have to use subject and verb. You have to use subject. Subject is you, and then verb is, you is, and then article and golden system of life. You is a golden system of life. System of life. Here you need not use any adverb. You need not use any adverb. You have to write in this way. you is subject and verb. You see subject and verb, then article, then the remaining part. Golden seed time of life. Adverb is not needed here. Okay, dear students, now we have done all the 10 answers of these questions. In this way, you have to continue your practice also at your home. In this way, it will make you perfect. The more you practice, the more you will be perfect. Okay. In our next class, we shall also practice another question. Okay. That's all for today. Thank you. All the best.